Tonight on the menu is a Rooster Potato aromatic curry with lentils, chickpeas and a cauliflower rice. This is an amazing flavourful recipe suitable for vegetarians and vegans. We start off with the Rooster Potato. Lovely red potato, beautiful skin, lovely texture. Cut these up into big chunks. Skin left on, all the goodness is there and all the fibre. Potatoes boiled for about 10 minutes and now they're draining. Next step is to make our curry paste. I've got some garlic, some ginger and a green chilli. I'm just going to roughly chop these. Now comes the fun part. Just going to add to this a little bit of chopped onion. Next step, we're going to get a pan hot, add a bit of oil. I'm going to add to this some more spices, so some masala or curry powder, a little bit of extra turmeric, extra cumin. Not too high heat because you don't want to burn the spices, otherwise they'll go bitter. So once the spices are cooked through, about 3 or 4 minutes, you add the potatoes. Some of these will break up because it's a rooster, so it's quite floury, and some of them will stay whole and chunky. Now I'm going to add some tomato, and then we've got some veg stock, pour that in, and finally some gorgeous red lentils. Bring that up to a gentle simmer. Whilst the curry is simmering away for 10-15 minutes, I'm going to prepare some cauliflower rice. So, cauliflower florets here on the box grater, just grated. Cauliflower rice in a bowl, cling film, and in the microwave for about 3 minutes. Our cauliflower rice is cooked for 3 minutes in the microwave. Just a little bit of seasoning. Now all I need to do is add some chickpeas, some baby spinach, fold that in, and then we've got some coriander here as well. So there you have it, the Albert Bartlett Rooster Potato Curry with chickpeas, lentils and cauliflower rice. These Rooster potatoes have got a beautiful skin, really full of flavour and goodness.